stars. Ivy is a true star, and she is Associates in Pediatric Therapy Patient of the Month. I can't wait for you to meet Ivy. Welcome into the show, folks. This is one of the prettiest young ladies I have ever seen in my life. She's about to become this is her television debut, so this is special. Remember it when. With me now is Caroline Scott, who is going to tell you a little bit about Associates in Pediatric Therapy and what they do. Yep. Caroline, welcome. And you were saying, what were you saying?
Yes, I thought that I would use this opportunity to give a PSA to wear your sunscreen, kids, because I had a little place taken off, so...
you still look fabulous.
Yeah, you
look great.
Don't notice this, but yeah, so I thought I'd use that time.
All right, Associates in Pediatric Therapy. Now, you bring on a Patient of the Month, and it's one of my favorite days on the show because we meet some children who are achieving at a very high level, like Ivy. So tell me a little bit about what you do and really the children that you really cater to.
Yes, we do speech, physical, and occupational therapy, and we also have a tutoring center, so we offer a lot in a lot of different areas, a lot of locations. We're always growing, and so in Ivy's case, we have our PT Amy here, and she's just worked with her for a while, and just as you said earlier, and you're going to say this word, but seeing her blossom and grow, and that's what we love, and we love when we have the whole family on board, and so we love bringing our patients on.
It is a family, and luckily the team at Associates in Pediatric Therapy can help these children achieve it, as I said, in a very high level. And I do love the word blossom. It's springtime. Ivy has certainly blossomed. Mom has her hair ready. She looks fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk to Mom a little bit. Okay, Leslie, if you would. First of all, you're very proud of Ivy and your son, Rhett, right?
Yes, very proud of them both. They're very special kids, yes.
Tell me a little bit about Ivy's story. She's come a long, long way, hasn't she?
She has. She's got autosomal recessive kidney disease, which affects her kidneys and liver, and then the hereditary spastic paraplegia, which affects her lower limbs, her legs. And so we had met Amy through Bellarmine, through therapy there, and she has been a constant in Ivy's life, which I feel Ivy would not be where she is today as well if it was not for Amy.
I'm telling you, I spent a little time with Ivy there backstage here, and she can do things I cannot do. She's strong, she's determined, she's very pretty, she looks better in a dress than I do, which, not surprised, but anyway. But anyway.
Don't go there.
I'm not going to even go there. It's a great story, it really is. Okay, now Rhett, okay, your little sister, you're pretty proud of her, right?
Yep.
Can she do a lot of things better than you?
Yeah.
We have to admit that, don't we? Maybe not. Okay, so where do you go to school?
Buckner Elementary.
All right, very good. You've got a very, very handsome and pretty family here.
Yeah.
All right, Aaron, Dad. So if you would, maybe tell me, a lot of people say achieving moment, or in this case, heartwarming moment. Maybe something that you saw that Ivy's now doing that maybe she couldn't do in the past, and you say, wow, she's working so hard.
Well, I'd have to say just recently she competed in the Buckner Idol, and she went out there and in front of hundreds of people and was dancing and was singing, and it was just heartwarming. It was just really impressive.
Wow. So Mom, if you would, for those who are thinking about being a part of or learning about Associates in Pediatric Therapy, what would you tell them if a parent out there maybe has a few challenges with their children? What would you tell them?
I would tell them to definitely consider Associates in Pediatric Therapy. Ivy has seen Amy since she was 2 or 3, and then she's seen Miss Ellen for speech the last couple of years, and they have, her progress has been tremendous, and so if you're looking for a great place for your child, I would definitely recommend Associates in Pediatric Therapy.
All right, so far, rave reviews for Amy.
Yes.
So, Amy, tell me a little bit about your relationship with Ivy, because what I think is really cool about Associates in Pediatric Therapy is it does go beyond you being a physical therapist. It becomes a relationship, a friendship, right?
Yes, definitely a friendship. I've seen Ivy since she was little bitty, and obviously kids, they just want to play and do whatever it is that they want to do, and she needed a little help with getting started on that. So we have watched her progress incredibly, leaps and bounds, since we started our relationship, and it just keeps going. So I feel like now, it is a family relationship, and it's consultative, and we're making decisions, and I'm helping educate them so they can make the best decisions for their family moving forward.
You were telling me, and we are going to use the word again because I do think it's so appropriate, blossom. Because when I saw Ivy, I said, wow, what a strikingly pretty young girl. And you said at first she was very shy,
Yes.
and she's really
Yes.
coming to her own, hasn't she?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's been a lot of fun to watch, and there's been a lot of challenges, and her not wanting to participate, and that's typical with all kids. It's a kickback sometimes, but she is such a great participator, and she's doing so many wonderful things, and it's so much fun.
All right, and this is not an anomaly. This is the way it happens at Associates in Pediatric Therapy, right, Caroline?
Right, and I love how her dad was talking about her going out and being in that talent. I mean, I have fear of being in it. So for her to do that at such a young age, and the confidence, I think that's part of the whole package, and just having such a great team. You know, we're all about team approach at APT, and this is what you have here. And so I love telling these stories coming on.
They are great stories, and again, Ivy is our patient of the month. If you have a child that maybe faces a few challenges, I really highly recommend, because I've been there. There's a nice family friendly vibe. Kids are having fun. They look forward to coming to therapy, which is unusual, right?
Yeah, and especially at our new Louisville office that you've seen, looks like a little town. A lot of kids don't want to leave. They like when they have to leave, and so we try to make it. And you said family. That is huge. Very family focused.
So, Caroline, if someone would like to see Associates in Pediatric Therapy, maybe meet with a therapist or with you and understand a little bit more, what do you recommend? What's the first step?
Yeah, they can definitely, if they want to see, they can always stop by any of our locations. If you go to kidtherapy.org, all of our locations are listed there. They can call our number that's on the screen, and we would love to give you a tour or answer any questions that you have. For sure, there's our website up there. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Leslie, if you would, some of her other hobbies, we know she can dance. We know she's somebody who's a hard worker, has a lot of friends. Tell me a little bit more about Ivy.
Ivy loves music. She loves arts and crafts, and she loves making things with her hands, and tape is her current favorite thing. So for her birthday, she got tape and duct tape so she can be creative, and she definitely is creative. So she loves her arts and crafts, and her music and dancing, I think. So
Good. How about you, Rhett? Let's hear about you, buddy. Okay, what are some of your hobbies?
I like sports. I like reading and science.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it looks like these well-rounded kiddos. So I've heard about your dancing, Ivy. So if you and I were at a dance and I came over and asked you to dance, would you say yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. That warms my heart. I was so afraid she was going to go no.
Rejection.
But you know, I'm so accustomed to the no, I would have handled it okay. But thank you, Ivy. Ivy, congratulations. Give me 5. You are fantastic. Yes. Everybody's bragging on you. Is there any of your friends you'd like to say hi to? Anyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Anyone?
My friend Daisy.
All right. You have a lot of friends, don't you?
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Good shout out there.
All right, again, Associates in Pediatric Therapy. Let's take a look-see at all the information there, Caroline. And again, they can come, take a look around,
Yep.
very relaxed atmosphere, and you can talk more in depth about maybe some of the challenges they face.
Yeah, right. And we have free screenings for speech, physical, and occupational therapy. So, come on by.
All righty.